Hello and welcome to another video of AIC calculator tutorial. Today we will talk about graph analysis. Namely, we will discuss zeros, maximums, and minimums. To do that, first we will go to the graphs section. Then we insert the equation 3x to the power of 3 plus x squared minus 2x, and then press enter. After doing that, we press Menu, Analyze Graph, and first we will discuss how to use zero. After pressing the button, we select the area where we are looking for a single zero at a time. We see the zero provided here. And then we repeat the process until we find all the zeros. The same concept applies for minimums and maximums. Both are found at the Analyze section. Let us start with minimums first. You select the area where you would like to find the minimum, then press enter. Be careful to not highlight the entire graph as it leads to erroneous results. For example purposes, we will do it with the maximum here. And that is how you find zeros, minimums, and maximums. Thank you for watching.